Welcome! If you want to stay updated on every comment, like, and pin notification on Instagram, I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to enable these alerts with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, tap the settings icon, which looks like a gear or cogwheel. This will take you to Instagram's settings menu. From here, find and tap on Notifications to manage your notification preferences. Inside the Notifications menu, select Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section controls how you receive updates about interactions on your posts and stories. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Comment Likes and Pins. This is where you can control notifications specifically for when someone likes your comments or when you pin comments on your posts. To enable these notifications, simply choose the On option. This ensures you'll receive alerts whenever someone likes your comment or when a comment you've pinned gets attention. And that's it! You've successfully turned on comment, like, and pin notifications on Instagram. This way, you won't miss any engagement on your posts and can stay connected with your audience more effectively. Remember, managing your notifications helps you keep track of important interactions without being overwhelmed. Enjoy a more interactive Instagram experience by following these updated steps. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips to enhance your social media experience.